In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell event tickets online with Stripe. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside your account, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Product Catalog. This is where you can create and manage the items you want to sell through Stripe. On the Product Catalog page, click Create Product to add a new ticket. In the Name field, enter the name of your event ticket. Use a clear title that your customers will easily recognize when they open the payment page. Below that, you can add a description if you want to include extra details about the ticket. For example, you might mention the event date, the type of admission, or any important information your buyers should know. You can also upload an image for the ticket if you want the payment page to look more polished and professional. Next, look at the pricing section. For an event ticket, choose One-Off under Pricing. This option is best because customers are making a single purchase rather than subscribing to a recurring payment. After that, enter the ticket price and select the correct currency for your audience. Once everything looks right, click Add Product to save it. After the product has been created, open the new product so you can access its pricing options. Beside the price, click the three-dot More menu. From that menu, select Create Payment Link. Stripe will then take you to the Payment Link Setup page. On this page, review the payment page settings carefully. Make sure the details match the event ticket you want to sell. This is the link your customers will use to complete their purchase, so it is important to check that everything is correct before publishing it. When you are ready, click Create Link. Stripe will now generate a payment link for your ticket. Copy that link and share it with your customers. You can send it by email, post it on your website, add it to social media, or include it anywhere people can access and buy your event tickets online. Using this method, you can start selling tickets quickly without building a full online store. Stripe handles the checkout process for you and gives your customers a simple way to pay. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.